In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to add labels and use filters in Gmail in order to keep your inbox nice and tight. So what you're looking at here is my inbox. It's actually an email from Epidemic Sound. Their emails are great, but I want to filter them out and file them away in a label or a folder here on my left-hand side. So to get started, what you will do, you do this with an existing email if you'd like, come up into this top where the little label icon is and click on Create New. And I like to call mine the name. I'm going to put it Epidemic, and then I'm going to nestle mine under an area where I keep kind of automated items. You don't have to do that, that's optional, and click on Create. So now what I'm going to do is use a filter to ask Gmail to automatically apply a label every time an email from this sender comes in. So in my case, I actually don't want the emails in my inbox, but I do want to save them because they're helpful. So up at the top here, I'm going to use this up on the kind of arrow here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to enter in who it's from. So it's going to be @ and then their domain, Epidemic Sound. You can also use this tool for emails that come in under a specific subject or that you're sending to somebody. There's a ton of options here in the filtering tool. Instead of searching to find all the emails from them, I'm going to click on Create Filter. And what I'm going to do here is say, okay, now every email I get from this user, apply the label Epidemic, wonderful. And in my case, I also want it to skip the inbox. I want them to archive and keep it out of my action area. And I also wanted to apply to the conversations that have come in before. That's why I'm clicking on this one here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on Create Filter. Perfect. And that's creating labels and filters in Gmail. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more tips like these.